So how do I set up my clarinet? I want to make sure I put it together carefully so nothing gets bent or broken. And I want to set it up properly in order to get it to work for me. I'm going to start with the two large pieces. On both pieces, I'm going to look for the end that has the keys hanging off the end of the piece. These two ends will go together. I'm not going to let the keys bump into each other, though. I'll keep them on opposite sides. I'm also going to look for this small key underneath that's sticking out. I can press a key on here and move it up and down. I'm going to hold it with it up to keep it out of the way. Now I can twist the two pieces together, watching out for that key in here so they don't bend into each other. Then I can release it, and that should line up very nicely to the key from either side. And now we've got the first part of it put together. Let's add the bell. Wrong end. Switch it around. It was easy to tell because it was just too big to fit. And we'll put it on here. Now, sometimes these corks can be a little tight. So I'm going to add a little cork grease to it. And add the bell on. Should be a little easier to twist it into place. Next, at the other end, I'll add the barrel. It can only go on one way. Twisting it into place. Then we can add the mouthpiece. I'm going to look for the opening of the mouthpiece and line that up with the back of the clarinet. So the back of the clarinet, the hole for the mouthpiece will line up with that. See the thumb hole key where I'm going to work my thumb, and the back of the mouthpiece with the opening in it, and the flat part. That flat part is where the reed will go. I'm going to be extra careful with the reed because it's very thin. I'm going to match it up, hold it in place, and add the ligature. I have another video that focuses up close on the mouthpiece and the reed and the ligature, so you can see that separately. And now we've got the clarinet all put together, ready to work with. Good luck putting yours together.